Hello everyone and welcome to Vinrays Academy. This is Vinay. In today's video, we are going to discuss how AI is changing the future of automation testing. Automation testing has evolved significantly over the years, and AI is now bringing about the next wave of transformation from smarter test case generation to predictive analytics and self-healing automation. AI is revolutionizing how we approach testing. By the end of this video, you will understand how AI is reshaping automation testing and why it's such a game changer for the QA industry. Let's dive in. Let's start by looking at how automation testing has evolved. Initially, software testing was a fully manual process where testers had to execute each test case by hand, which was slow and prone to errors. Automation testing emerged as a solution, allowing teams to create scripts that could be run automatically, speeding up the process. Popular tools like Selenium and QTP, now known as UFT, made it possible to automate repetitive tests. However, even with automation, there are challenges. Test scripts need constant maintenance, especially when the application changes. This high maintenance effort and limited adaptability of traditional automation tools open the door for AI to step in. So, what exactly does AI bring to the table? AI is transforming automation testing by introducing self learning capabilities. AI powered tools can learn from past test results and continuously improve the testing process over time. This smarter approach to automation eliminates much of the manual effort that traditional methods require. AI also helps in the generation and optimization of test cases, automatically creating tests based on data patterns and user interactions. Additionally, AI can leverage predictive analytics to identify which areas of the application are more likely to have defects, enabling testers to focus their efforts more strategically. One of the most exciting innovations that AI brings is self-healing test automation. In traditional automation testing, when the application changes, test scripts often break because they rely on predefined elements like IDs, paths, or CSS selectors. This leads to constant maintenance where testers have to manually fix broken tests. With AI, however, this is no longer a concern. AI driven systems can detect when a test script is broken and automatically repair it by adjusting to the new code. This reduces the time spent on manual maintenance and keeps your test suite stable, even as the application undergoes frequent updates. Another key area where AI is changing the game is in test case generation. Traditionally, testers would manually create test cases by identifying possible scenarios. This process could be time consuming and might miss certain edge cases. AI changes this by automating the generation of test cases. By using machine learning algorithms, AI can predict various scenarios that the software might encounter, including edge cases that manual testers might overlook. As a result, test coverage is greatly expanded and the chances of missing critical bugs are reduced. This is particularly valuable for complex systems where it's difficult to manually anticipate every possible outcome. Managing test data has always been a challenge, especially when dealing with large scale or complex systems. Accurate and relevant test data is crucial to ensure that the software is thoroughly tested. This is where AI comes in. AI powered tools can automate the generation of test data, ensuring that the data matches real world scenarios. It can also handle large datasets more efficiently than traditional methods, organizing and optimizing the data for different test cases. AI's ability to analyze patterns in the data ensures that the test data is both accurate and relevant, leading to more effective testing and better software quality. AI is a perfect fit for continuous testing, which is essential in DevOps and agile environments. In these workflows, development teams are constantly making updates and releasing new features. Testing has to keep up with this rapid pace, which is where AI really shines. AI can run tests faster and more frequently than manual or traditional automated testing. It also provides continuous feedback to development teams, identifying bugs early in the development cycle. This not only improves the overall quality of the software, but also helps teams release updates more quickly without sacrificing reliability. One of the challenges in testing is ensuring that the visual elements of an application work as expected across different platforms and devices. Traditional automation tools often focus on functionality, but they can miss visual bugs like misaligned buttons, broken layouts, or inconsistent fonts. AI powered visual testing automates the process of checking the visual aspects of the application. It compares the UI across different devices and browsers, detecting any discrepancies that might affect the user experience. This ensures that the application not only works well but also looks great across all platforms. AI's ability to use predictive analytics is a game changer for automation testing. By analyzing historical data from previous tests, AI can predict which areas of the application are more likely to have defects. This allows testers to prioritize their efforts and focus on the parts of the software that are most vulnerable to bugs. Instead of testing every aspect equally, AI helps testers concentrate on the most critical areas, reducing overall testing time while increasing efficiency. This predictive power helps prevent issues from slipping into production and reduces the time spent fixing bugs after release. As we look to the future, AI will continue to play an increasingly important role in testing. With advancements in machine learning and natural language processing, AI will further reduce the need for manual intervention in testing. Tests will become even more accurate and thorough, with AI handling the heavy lifting of test creation, execution, and maintenance. This will allow QA teams to focus more on strategy and innovation. AI will also drive the adoption of continuous integration, where code is tested and deployed automatically, pushing for faster release cycles while maintaining high software quality. That brings us to the end of today's video on how AI is changing the future of automation testing. As you've seen, AI is transforming everything from test case generation to data management, visual testing, and predictive analytics. The future of testing is undoubtedly tied to AI, and understanding how to leverage these tools will be essential for QA teams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Vinrays Academy for more content on AI, testing, and automation. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.